Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentators, trolls, chief complainers, or gray alien artiste who is reporting my Amazon purchases to Sunoco. All right, this is part 4 or part 5, I'm not sure at this point. And this giant railing has to go together. There is a tube you put, whatever you call this thing, you put between the two joining points, and you have to make sure that this thing lines up exactly because the bolts won't go in the hole. I had great difficulty. I had to unscrew everything, but there they are. And then what this does is, wherever I put the instructions, somewhere, one goes in the front of the bed, one goes in the back of the bed. No, one goes this way, so you can put the mattress on it. One goes that way, and then you take those things there with these three things, and then they attach to the two, and then you can tilt the bed up or down and move it into the sleeping position or the sofa position, and that's next after I figure out how to put these on the wooden frame. So this took another half an hour for this one, and then I've got the other one to assemble, and then this thing being very, very long, we're probably gonna have to move whatever's in the hallway out of the hallway into the back bedroom, put this in the hallway, because I got no more room. I'm running out of room. I'm sitting in the bed, and it's more than 6 inches out into the hallway, and I've got it pushed against the clothing rack. So I am in deep trouble here. So I'll figure something out. I'll have to have Kathy help. We'll have to take everything off there, move everything out of the hallway into the bedroom, and then put this in the bed, or put this over there and then move the fans when I need them come summertime, if I'm still in here. I hope not. Hope to have paid off all my debt and move out of here. All right. That's it for this one. I feel like I'm climbing a cage here. Remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content nowhere else, and certainly nowhere else, and certainly not on the regular channel. Or on the membership channel. I'm confused right now. I'm tired. I've been at this since 6 o'clock, so it's now 9:28. Now I got to assemble the other one. Now that I know what I'm doing, this was formerly used by the Birdman of Alcatraz to try to escape Alcatraz. So, not. So I have this one put together. Then I've got to figure out how to attach it to the frame, then attach those spring things, attach the hooks, and then this will be ready for sleeping if I've done it right. So I can't go to sleep until I finish this thing. And then at least I'll be off the floor, but we're going to have to figure out what to do with this. Or we might just put the clothing rack behind it, and that would free up enough space to get this out of the hallway. Because I'm not looking forward to 1 foot of clearance between me and going into the hallway to go in the kitchen and the bathroom. So I've accomplished this much in an hour. The other one, once I get those post pegs, whatever you call them, lined up, shouldn't be as much of an issue. And then I got to figure out, where do these go and how? And there are holes in the bottom of the wooden thing on both sides for this. So this is Adventures in Assembly. All right, this is George Senda. Have a great night, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now. Watch the frame. Doesn't fall on my foot. Bye.